warm welcome to the unveiling of the Summary Status Report 2023 and the Speed Management Plan for Kumasi.
Thank you so much, and we shall do this very swiftly. My name is Hopkins.
I am very much elated about today's program. I can say it's the first of its kind where we've had two partners collaborating to launch their reports. I don't think it's been done on this project anywhere in the world where the projects are being implemented. So we are taking great pride in today's program for the efforts put in by Hopkins University, International Injury Research Unit, and the World Resources Institute.
The report is a speed management plan for Kumasi, and it provides guidance on speed management on specific locations within the cities. We realized that baseline assessment had already been done, and also the report from John Hopkins had indicated that there were high level of speed in Kumasi. In view of that, the BRI also took further steps to actually do a geographic analysis of speed situation in Kumasi using the Google Distance API metrics. There were actually high level of speed around major corridors within the city, especially on Kumasi Accra Road, on the Sunyani Road, and also the New Bekwai Road. What we did was that we now superimposed the crash data between 2020 to 2022 over these geographic analysis of speed that we had. Then we realized that the areas where we're having high speeds correlates to areas where we're having most of the crashes too as well.
At the Johns Hopkins International Injury Research Unit, we are responsible for capturing the data on road user behavior. And our focus is on speed, where we look at the speed observations throughout the day on selected days of the month to understand that how those patterns change. Over the 6 rounds that we have done since 2020, we have been able to demonstrate the changes and the trends of the city.
It became necessary to concentrate effort only on speeding. And so for the past few, rounds, we have only looked at speeding. Various reports have been written, and so this launch was just to look at the summary of all that. That's why we only came out the crucial, critical points.
Michael Bloomberg is a database person, and he has brought that approach to the foundation. So we like to really rely on data and evidence to guide our program. We know that the cities we're working with have limited resources, so we always encourage them to use these kinds of reports which pinpoint exactly where and when and who are dying.
In collecting the data, you go through lots of processes, and you should appreciate the fact that we liaise with the police MTTD in collecting such data. They collect the data in hard copy, and then we clean them for the necessary analysis, and we come up with these reports. And so yes, it's difficult to come by, but if you compare the fact that we shouldn't lose our lives on the road, I think that is far more important.
What we realized from the analysis was that the crashes were happening in a more linear pattern, which suggests a corridor approach to speed management. And that's the reason why we came up with these 11 corridors, and we prioritized them using a metric of crashes with victims per 100 meters. And based on that, we came up with a prioritized list of 11 corridors and also 20 intersections.
I deem it a great honor and a pleasant duty to declare the 2023 Status Summary Report and the Speed Action Plan for the City of Kumasi duly launched.
And if we are saying, I didn't be a baby, so one for data, and I want for dance here, and come one, won't me miracle and won't you know the much
All in all, it's been great having everybody on board. And then we hope to gather again to review achievements and then the way forward.